We come with the idea that just because it's a summer, so many people need to hang out with. Bike riding is, it's good and motivational when you come together and get to go to any place or any location. So our application is, the main purpose of our application is just you come and sign into the app, and the app, you give it the starting point of your ride and the destination. So it's going to grab the zip code of your start location and search in the database people who are planning to go on that day and in the same hour to the same location.
See you, buddy. It's all on you.
So we use Next, MySQL, Node, Express, and Future Senso user MySQL. That's for
this one is that we use it for user login and log out. For user login and log out. Okay.
I guess you explain that.
Okay, my contribution on this app was to prepare the front end, which is HTML, CSS, and some parts of JavaScript. And as Josie has mentioned, this app was just to meet new friends of bikers. And there is two sites. The one site is sign up site, and the second site is sign in. So if you are new user, you need to sign up on the sign up, so it will direct you. It will ask you some information of your telephone, email, and something. So as just mentioned, this is just to hang out with to meet new friends of bikers and something.
My contribution on this was I was working almost on 2 weeks with user authentication methods. Just when the user sign up, like by using email and password, it grabs the email and first it checks the user email whether it's valid or not. Then it checks also there is minimum requirement about the password, like A characters. You should have a capitalization, and also it should have a number. And after it passes all these things, it's going to create the user. It creates a user. So after it creates the user, it initializes a database inside the DB MySQL. So it creates actually 5 tables. First is to save the email and password, and there are also sessions authentication. There are a lot of things. So I was working on the user authentication, and there are also some errors in when you try to combine the front end and back end. There are some errors in the HTML and CSS. I was also working to fix those errors, and I've tried to deploy it on Heroku. Yes, yeah, it opens, but I think I couldn't log in just like in the local mission because I didn't fix on the database in Heroku, but I deployed it, and it works fine. It displays the homepage, but if you try to access the database, since it's not connected to the database, it didn't work out. And creating the API routes, also I was working in the creating API routes.
So I did the backend work. I created the DB using the Next library. Okay, what's this? And I was able to figure out how to use Next to push data into DB. That took a lot, though. This is the demo, right? Here's our website.
bad thing is it doesn't tell you whether you are successful for creating the user. But here, yeah. In the console, I can tell
What's it do for hello?
So he's able to sign in.
Let's see, 5, 8.
Don't expect anymore.
I got the same phone number from a girl once.
So after you submit the button, we were able to fetch all the data to the database, but we got a problem. Just we're running out of time to grab the zip code and the matching.
Show your password.
But I don't think it's going to be difficult because.
So I was just showing that it's stored in the database. And then the logout, which
This doesn't work out. I don't know why.
Some of the problems we ran into is I couldn't find a way to store, because right now I have them in 2 tables. I could not find a way to store them into 1. So that made the match user function complicated, and we weren't able to finish it. And then you already talked about the hierarchical thing. Yeah.
This future, from the future, not all these
Yeah.
issues you want to accept. It's good. It's a good idea.
Let me show you on the. But here after I sign in, because it's not connected to the database, obviously it's not going to work out. But at least we tried to.
Yes. Good job.
That's it.
Oh, no, we have more.
You do have more?
So what would be your future?
Yeah, that's
development
the-
with this?
Oh, the future.
What
We
would
do
you
have a
wanna
lot
do
of
just in the
future.
Able to notify user using text message. That was what we were trying to implement.
Yeah.
The route destination with an API, find store location nearby, weather info, and right date, and fixing the match issues.
Data, about data validation.
About the logout?
No, data validation. That's important.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay.